I've always been drawn to stories of the unknown and the feeling of loneliness that can sometimes feel overwhelming. This is why I wanted to share with you the story of Nessie and the Piper. The wind howled a mournful tune across the loch beneath the moon. Nessie stirred in depths unseen, a lonely soul, a lonely queen. Her scales like silver shimmered bright beneath the waves in the endless night. She longed for touch, a gentle hand, to break the spell of this cold land. Then music rose, a haunting strain, a lonely piper lost in rain. He played of sorrow, loss, and fear, a melody both sweet and drear. The music echoed through the mist, reaching Nessie a lonely kiss. But moved by music, gentle and cast, they found solace in each other's gaze, two lonely souls in a moonlight haze. Creating this video was a journey. I wanted to show that even in the deepest loneliness, there is always the possibility of connection. So let your music rise and soar, and open hearts forevermore. I hope this story reminds you that you're not alone. Embrace the unknown, the strange, the new, for in the depths there's magic too. Share a time you made an unexpected connection in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Remember, connection is always possible. VR Getaway, transporting you on beautiful immersive adventures using VR headsets. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And remember, the adventure never ends. See you again real soon. Bye now.